Hello again, it's Noob, and I think we all agree that this is a really, really gorgeous padlock. I mean, really, if you don't think it's a gorgeous padlock, you're probably watching the wrong YouTube channel. So, this is a wonderful vintage Eagle padlock from the US. There you go, you can see that, the Eagle Lock Company from Terryville, Connecticut, I think. And this was sent to me as part of a trade by Thumper, who has his own lockpicking channel. Please go check it out. And it came with this slightly damaged but still very beautiful box. It says depend on Eagle quality and craftsmanship for cabinet locks, padlocks, night latches, deadlocks, luggage, hardware. Sorry, pause there because I was like, is that like truncated weirdly? And it's just squeezing it onto the packet, I guess. It says it's a rugged pin tumbler padlock with brass plug and great durability. 1.5 inch case of rustless alloy and a case hardened double locking shackle for maximum strength. Very, very cool. Eagle security within your reach. And they state here, America's first lockmaker since 1833. I'm not sure how true that is, but it well could be. Either way, it's an awesome, awesome little lock. There is the bitting of the key, so you can see it, and it's actually relatively it's stepped. It's a stepped bitting in a way because it's or it's a, I guess a flat bitting, but it's angled. You can see there that it's almost a straight line down the bitting there, which isn't great in terms of security. Let's then get the key in, have a look. What is nice, it appears to be well, I'd say it's anti-shim. Looking at these cutouts and the way that those pawls retract, and that's pretty neat. Definitely says hardened on the shackle there. I don't know how old this lock is, but looking at the packaging there, I'd say mid 19th century. So very, very cool indeed. Love it. Let's throw this in a vise and we'll pick it and then we'll rake it. So we're in the vise. Let's just yeah, works fine. Lock that back up. Remind ourselves of that bitting. Shouldn't be too much of a problem. We're going to tension it top of the keyway. Is your 1.2mm pry bar. Should fit in snugly enough. And we're just going to use a piece and gem, pull back through the lock, finding a binding pin. And that's pin 1. Pin 3, pin 2, pin 1 again, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and we're open. Very, very easy lock to pick, but actually it's a whole lot easier to rake. In fact, it's one of the few locks where I can get away with using a city rake, and I don't know what it is. I just really like the city rake. Let's lock that back up and turn that core that way. It's just because it's an absolute classic lock pick. A lot of people don't like it. I actually really do. And we're just going to go in, and we're going to do what it's supposed to do, which is just to rock this lock, and we're open. There you go. Let's look at that key, and we'll see exactly how that can work. So it's, like I said, it's a relatively flat sort of linear bitting. It's a sort of stepped down from the top, but you get this on there, and you can see that if you get it just right, that's about there in the lock. You can see that you pretty much pick 4 out of the 5 pins, starting at 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you just need to rock it back down like that, and then you've picked pin 5 here. So you just go rock, rock, and it's open. So that's how powerful something like the city rake can be with relatively flat bittings. So, okay, it isn't the most secure lock in the entire world, but can we all just forgive it for being just so lovely? I know I can. Well, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time.